This Dr. Beckmann Service It Deep Clean is what I use for my washing machine. My friend came round and she says, hey, how are you managing to keep all the inside of your washing machine, especially here, we know it collects, how is that so super clean? This. I asked her, well, how often do you actually clean out your washing machine? She said, oh, maybe about once every 6 months. Oh, well, there we have the problem. This gets done every single month. Maybe you're just a light user. Maybe you live on your own in your house. It maybe wouldn't need doing for maybe 2 months at a time. But when I have the amount of washing I do in my house, it's every month. And what I find that this is good for is it really gives it a good clean. I know a lot of us now, we use those pods or we use more of a liquid. And I think that can make the drum especially really slimy, and then you can get all that bad bacteria. The other time I use this is if somebody has had a stomach bug in the house, which my husband has. So we are going to be doing this one today and I'll just show you, but it couldn't be more simpler. You've got a little hatch there where you can open up and you simply do this. I'll try and keep out of the view. And I just pour it all in. It smells quite nice. It's got like a lemon fresh scent. Make sure I've got it all out there, which is really useful. It's also Good Housekeeping approved. So it's not just Emily approved, it's Good Housekeeping approved. You shut the door and you pop it on to a 60 degrees centigrade heat wash. So I'll make sure that's on 60. Give it a good spin. And that's it. Empty. Nothing in your washing machine. You just run it as an empty cycle once a month. I mean, what else does it say on here? Removes bad odours. Definitely does. Cleans the hidden parts. That bit I can definitely concur with, because my friend's washing machine, by the way, in the drum there, in that rubber, well, this is what works. You want a nice clean washing machine, get onto it every month, get it done, and honestly, I truly believe you're going to have a wonderful clean washing machine too.